Arsenal, Tottenham, Arsenal. After creating so much chances like that, still could not convert. I think their front three is going on. It's like a property that is depreciating. That front three of Arsenal, they are depreciating. They are losing value. They are not clinical enough. Look at the second goal. As Arsenal could not convert from Aubameyang, that was when they countered. That was end to end. It was an end to end situation. Son, I talked about him in one of my videos. Go and check it. I said how he used to fight. He may become this player of the season. Son. I mean, Mourinho is back. That's just the truth. Mourinho is back. He's back in form. Tottenham is back. I don't understand. Arsenal creating chances, you can't convert. Let's leave creativity out of it. Leave creativity out of it. What happened to your conversion rates? I know they need to create something for you to convert first, but yeah, there were some clear. Oh no. There were some clear one-on-one points. The only thing they know is from the wing. You go from the go from the wing, go from the wing, cross from the wing. And Tottenham has already blocked the wing. Their defense was tight, solid. I don't know. It's it's an interesting game for Tottenham. Happy game for a great not derby, but so I don't know any Tottenham fan. That's the issue. I don't know any Tottenham fan. For Arsenal fans, I know some. That goalkeeper, Leno, no competition. No competition. No competition for him at all. No competition. As that other guy left, that Argentine goalkeeper, he's relaxed. How can they beat you from your near end? I know the guy is left footed, the force of the shot, yes. But you can cover that end. When they score, you are not lying down flat. As if you have flat tire. I don't get. The guy is tired. You should rest. Rotation. But they should keep up with the momentum of that Europa. They should keep up with the momentum of that Europa. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Obviously, creativity, conversion rate, but there's something else again. How many days they've not scored now in open play? But they are tearing ground in Europa, they are scattering, they are dominating. 15th on the table. I reserve comments for them. You can help me with comments.